In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-file an estate or trust return in TurboTax Business Desktop. To get started, open TurboTax Business Desktop and make sure you're in the correct return before moving forward. This is important because estate and trust filings have their own workflow, and you'll want to confirm you're working inside the right business file, so your entries and submission go to the correct place. If you haven't already reviewed the return, now is a good time to quickly look over the information on screen and make sure everything is complete. Next, complete the estate or trust income entries. Take your time during this part because accurate income reporting is one of the most important pieces of the return. Enter all required income details exactly as they appear in your records and make sure the information is fully entered before you continue to the filing stage. If the program prompts you for additional details related to the estate or trust income, follow those prompts carefully and finish each section as needed. It's a good idea to pause here and double check that there are no missing fields, incomplete entries, or obvious errors, since those can sometimes cause problems later in the e-file process. Once the income entries are complete, go to the File menu and select e-file. This will begin the electronic filing process inside TurboTax Business Desktop. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to move through the remaining filing steps. Read each screen carefully so you understand what the program is asking for, and confirm the return details before submitting. If the software displays any final review messages, take a moment to address them so the return is as complete and accurate as possible before transmission. As you go through e-filing, make sure you save your work if the program gives you the option, especially before final submission. That way, you have a clean record of the completed return in case you need to revisit it later. After you submit, watch for any confirmation screens or status messages within the software so you know whether the return has been transmitted successfully. And that's it. By opening TurboTax Business Desktop, completing the estate or trust